Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Mary Academy. This session of video contains the solution of exercise 2D. This video is for class 5A, subject mathematics. So let us see some questions of exercise 2D, and we also learn how to solve this type of question. All questions given in exercise 2D are based on division. So we will just care while solving this type of questions. The first question, we have to find the other number, and the product of two numbers are given here. So the product of two numbers is 7 crore 56 lakhs 2,804. If one number is 24,062, find the other number. As we know that the other number is here unknown, so in order to find the other number, we assume or we suppose the other number as x, and we multiply x and 24,062 together. The product of x and 24,062 is 7 crore 56 lakh 2,804. So here we write here, let the other number be x. As we know that the other number is unknown, so we just write here the other number be x. Here the product of x and 24,062 is 7 crore 56 lakh 2,804. So x into 24,062 is equal to 7 crore 56 lakh 2,804 is equal to x is equal to 7 crore 56 lakh 2,804 divided 24,062. Now both number are divisible by 2, so we cut just this one, 1 2 0 3 1, and this is also divisible by 2. So we write here 3 7 8 0 1 4 0 2. Now this number is divisible by 12,031 by 3,142 times. So we just cut it 3,142 times. Hence the other number is 3,142. Now the second question, find the largest 9-digit number which is divisible by 2,595. As we know that the largest 9-digit number is 9999. It means that the largest 9-digit number 999999999. As we know that this number, we check here whether this number is divisible by 2595 or not. If the number is not divisible by 2595, then we subtract the remainder from this number, and after that we get the exact largest 9-digit number which is divisible by 2595. So we just here follow, just divide here 2595 divisible by 999999999. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now 2595, we just multiply this one by 3, we get 7785. Now subtract this one, 4, this one 1 2 2, again we write here 9. Now we multiply this number by 8, we get here 20,760. Again we subtract 9, 8, this one 3, 1. Now we write again 9 here. 1 2 9 7 5 times we subtract 4 2 4 to 9, this one here there is no space, so we write here 9 to 4, we just write here 9. This one 3 times 7785, but just we subtract, we get here 4 6 and this one 1, 4 6 4 1. Again we write here 9. This one 5 times, we just write here 12,975. Now we subtract this number, we get 1674, we just write 19 here, 15570. After subtracting we get 1179. As we know that this number, the largest number of 9 digit is not divisible by 2595. There is remainder 1179, so we subtract we subtract 1179 from the largest 9-digit number. We get here 0, we get here 2, we get here 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this number is exactly divisible by 2595. So this is the answer. Now the third question is, we have to find the smallest 8-digit number which is divisible by 1690. As we know that the smallest 8-digit number is 10 crore. So 10 crore is not exactly divisible by 1690. So we just divide it. 1069, this one 5 times, we get 8450. We just subtract here, we get here 5 5 and here 1, again 1 5 2 1 0, 9 times we get here 0 9 2, we write again 1 0 more here, we get here we 1690, 1 times we just subtract 2 and this one 1, we write 1 0, 1 more 0 here, this number is divisible by, this number is not exactly divisible by this one, but we multiply this number by 7, we get here 1 1 8 3 0, we get 270. As we know that the smallest 8-digit number is not exactly divisible by 1690, so we just divide, we just subtract this number from 1690, and after that we add the remaining number to this one. So the number divisible by 1690 is equal to 10 crore plus 1690 minus 270. Now this one we add these numbers, together. After adding we get here 10 crore 1420. So this is the number which is exactly divisible by 1690. Now in the next session of video we will discuss about exercise 2E. So let us see some questions of exercise 2E. Given here we have to solve some questions of exercise 2E, which is based on Bodmer's principle of Bodmer's. So what is Bodmer's? Bodmer's, there are 6 letters. There are 6 letters: B, O, D, M, A, S. B stand for bracket, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. So in this type of questions, if we have to simplify any questions and there are given brackets, so we just divide the numbers which comes under the bracket. There are 4 kinds of brackets: bar bracket, square bracket, curved brackets and curly bracket. So we first solve the number that comes under bar bracket, then after curved bracket, then after curly bracket, and at last we solve the numbers that comes under square bracket. Now after that we will solve the numbers of off. O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S for subtraction. So let us see some questions here. Solve the following questions. Exercise 2E. Number A, 5400 divided 27 plus 50 into 4. Now we just here division, addition and multiplication. So we first divide this number and then we write here 50 into 4. 50 into 4 is equal to 200, and this one divisible by 5400 is divisible by 27 2 times, so 200 200. So 200 plus 200 is equal to 400. In the same way, there is another question. 724 into 65 minus 3281 plus 269. We just multiply 724 into 65. After multiplying both numbers, we get 47,070 minus 3,081 plus 269. We add both number 93374 minus 3289. We subtract 1 from 9, we get 8. 8 from 13, we get 5 here. 2 from 12, we get 2 from 2, we get 0, and 3 from 7, we get here 4. So answer is 44,058. Now we have to simplify here. Square bracket 84,840 divided 40 minus 60 into 15 plus 110, and this one square bracket divided 11 plus 720 minus 54. So we just solve here. 84840 divided 40 minus 60 into 15, 900 plus 110 here. Now divided 11 plus 720 and this one minus 55. Now 00 and 8,484 is divisible by 4. So this one we get 2,121. 2,121 minus 900 plus 110 is equal to 1,010 divided 11 plus 720 minus 55. Now here when we subtract this number, we get here 1111, and this one divided by 11 plus 702 minus 55, this one 101. Now we add both number. 101 plus 720, we get here 821 minus 55. After doing this one, after dividing 55 from 821, we get here 766. So 766 is the correct answer of this solution of this question. Now the question number 3, we have to do this one. 1000 plus curly bracket 30 minus 500 is divisible by 25 20 times, so we write here 20 plus 9 into 5, 45 minus 55 plus 10 minus 160 plus 40 of 40, sorry, of 40. Now we just multiply here. 1000 plus 30 minus 20 plus 45, 65, 65 minus 55, we get 10 here only. Both numbers are 160 into 40. Now here 1000 plus 30 minus 6400. Sorry, 16 into 40. So 16 into 40 is equal to 640. So we write here 1030 minus 640 is equal to 0. 4 minus 3. When we subtract 4 from 3, we get 9 here, and there is 9 remains. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So answer is 390. Now here one more question. 9 into 7 plus 34 divided 17 minus 5. So 9 into 7 plus 34 upon 7 minus 5. Here 34 is divisible by 17. So we get here 2. 9 into 7, 63 plus 2 minus 5. 65 minus 5 is equal to here 60. Now one more question to solve. 80 minus 15 plus 12 minus 16 is divisible by 4. Thus 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now here we write here 80 minus 15 plus, when we subtract 4 from 12, we get 8 here. Now 80 minus 15 plus 8, 23. So we subtract 23 from 80, we get here 57. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. You take homework. You will complete exercise 2D and 2E on your notebook. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.